Hi, welcome to Ball Talk. Today we are talking about Badlapur with the director Sri Ram Raghavan, जिनका नाम सुन के लगता है कि ये जरूर राजश्री की पिक्चरें बनाते होंगे, मगर इनकी पिक्चरें बिल्कुल उससे अपोजिट होती हैं. And a producer who's known for his vision, Dinesh Vijan.
इतना बड़ा खराब जोक से तूने चालू किया ना शो. I hope it's not only this kind of ball talk.
Only these kind of jokes. Badlapur is flawed, and most of the bumps come early in the story. The first half is sluggish, and
You've seen the film?
I have seen the film.
So
I'll tell you one thing about the show. How we make the show is that I go and watch the film. I never read the reviews. जो मेरे बचपन की आदत है. I never read any reviews. I go and watch the film, experience. I whatever. But this show is not about my opinion.
No, it's not about you. But I'm saying we got to answer it together.
Okay. He says that Nawaz's track is sketchy. His scenes with Humar towards the end seem a bit out of place.
We don't feel that. Okay. That's the only way we would like to.
The audience loves.
So I saw the film in Gaiety. We went very skeptically, thinking we made a very, very different film. And we were sitting there, and I walked in, and I bought the last black ticket that was available. And the kind of reaction and the relatability that Layak has brought to the film. You need Raghu for Layak to work. You need Layak for Raghu to work. It's that kind of film.
हेलो लायक, तू उधर क्या कर रहा है? तुम्हारा हालचाल पूछने आया था.
Varun Dhawan deserves a box of cupcakes for accepting the challenge of his role in Badlapur. It's a far cry from the carefree dudes he's played on screen so far, but despite his enthusiasm, the young actor is terribly miscast.
We cannot think of anybody else playing Raghu. The amount Varun Dhawan has given this character and how well he's done, for me, he holds through and through. And as he said, absolute, only, and undisputed choice.
You could have cast somebody like a Saif or somebody who's in his 40s and...
See, anybody who's 35, 40 may have lost people in their lives, may have lost parents. God knows. I mean, there are all kinds of tragedies they go through. A young person, he is such an innocent in that sense, and the tragedy,
so
how
his
he
first
deals
reaction
with
to the tragedy was more important than what he's going to do in the second half.
For us, it was honest casting of a young guy, and we had to really work on the work as in without doing much. Like if you see your picture from 12, 13 years ago and now, except the dressing and exercise, you realize your face doesn't change that much.
I always look same.
So, we should have cast you.
Actually, you should have.
Actually, it's much easier.
Please don't do these mistakes again. No, I can be 15, I can be 40, I can be 80, I can be... Sir,
It's just that with
sir,
the-
आप देखिए आपकी पिक्चर को डिस्कस करने के लिए आज मैं काले कपड़े पहन के आया हूँ.
Mayur Dhawan in Badlapur 2, where he kills people with a pink ball.
ये काट दो सब.
Now we have to hold and ask the next question.
India Today Suhani Singh, rating 2 out of 5 stars. Embodying the physicality of a character is one thing.
You at any point will read good reviews? No, that doesn't happen here.
Blame my research team.
Now you'll do that painful monologue again for 2 minutes when you want to read the whole review.
Okay, I will not read the full
Can't we
review.
do that like once this show's
No,
over?
just say in short what they
Most-
mean. Then
He
we can
can't say
understand.
anything in short. We have to figure that out about him right now.
Yeah, because I can't. Because then they can turn
Like
around and they can tell me,
some
आपने
people-
हमारा review ठीक से
So
पढ़ा
can
है
I
तो-"
read it?
Read it from here actually.
Which one? Most smart audiences know that one shouldn't miss the film's beginning. Between Dhawan and Siddiqui, the experience of the latter speaks volumes as he enjoys the part, even though one can't help find hints of his character in Talash and kick in his performance. On the contrary, Raghu's suffering and loss leaves you cold for the character's transformation is jarring. I can't point a finger. I feel he's not done one wrong note in his performance. So that's something I'd like
No,
to
but
say and not talk about.
just to play the devil's advocate, I'd like to ask you and dwell upon it that how you can say like specifically or categorically how it was different from what he's done in say a Cake or what he's done in Talash. But you know what? It's the same actor.
I mean,
doing
it's like
things,
saying
so
Amitabh Bachchan in Dawn, yaar, Amar Akbar Anthony bhi is great,
Same.
and idhar bhi is
Sharabi
great.
movie
इसका
same.
मतलब क्या है?
अब वो क्या करे?
I think
Plastic surgery करा ले हर
No,
रोल
I
के
think
लिए.
Nawaz should just give one bad performance in some movie.
करना एक बार बोलना अभी नहीं
Will it be enough to convince someone in Bollywood to give Siddiqui something different to perform? For now, he seems to have cornered the market for the bad guy with nuances and punchlines, and you might find yourself wondering whether you have seen Siddiqui play this role before.
We politely disagree.
Politely disagree. Okay. IBN Live, Rajiv Masan, he says, despite all its strengths, Badlapur isn't a perfect film, and you might say the film is misogynistic
agree.
in its treatment of women.
No, I agree.
You agree with that? Do you think, sir, it's
Agree.
treatment
Because
is misogynistic?
Rajiv Masand has given this film 3.5 stars.
Yes, he has given
we just,
3.5
we just
stars.
agree with it.
I don't think so at all that this film is misogynistic.
When we made this film, I termed the genre twisted entertainment. Because you will laugh on a thing and you will come back and sit and think, why am I laughing on that? Then you'll raise questions like this that wo aisa kyun, wo aisa kyun. But while watching it, you were enjoying that scene.
Another one on Twitter. This is Dehati, and his handle is at Rohwit, ROHWIT. Hashtag Badlapur music album doesn't have the right amount of anger in it. Strictly average.
1, 3, and 5 is where the songs are on the charts.
1, 3, and 5
Five, yeah.
on the top 10.
And there are 5 songs and a terrific background score. First time, actually, I feel I've got great music complementing the story of the film. Emotionally lifted the movie
Yes.
that much.
This is also Sriram Raghavan's most emotional film, and I feel an emotional film needs support with music. Ji Karna Mar Jane for me is a very aggressive track. If you see the instrumentation, if you see the lyrics, it's like I feel like dying.
छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा दाग दे सारी गलियां नी अज मेरा जी करदा हर जाने नी अज मेरा जी करदा हर जाने नी मेरा जी करदा हर जाने नी अज मेरा जी करदा.
This is from a YouTube comment, Nilakshi Khatri. So she says, this movie is the exact replica of the Korean movie, The Man from Nowhere. Except instead of a homeless girl being kidnapped and killed, the Bollywood has twisted it and made it into his spouse. The rest of the storyline is ditto, same to the Korean movie.
तो है तो मेरे को मतलब यार फिर हमको मतलब हम लोग पागल है क्या?
Disagree.
कोई तो पागल है मतलब.
नहीं मतलब हम लोग पागल है क्या? मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं उनको नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. मैं बोल रहा हूँ
अच्छा,
कि if there's a
disagree.
movie that's been made, why will I make it again?
ये बोल रही है कि आपकी
मैं
picture-
बोल रहा हूँ agree. चलो. Agree. It's a copy of a remake.
Yeah, please see that movie also.
Huffington Post, Supratik Chatterjee says,
Disagree.
can I just read it? This is a character Siddiqui could have played in his sleep. Listen to
Disagree.
this. I'm going to ask you some direct questions. Okay? कुछ रिव्यूज होते हैं ना आजकल, वो रिव्यू क्रिटिक्स जो है वो सीधा आपको सवाल पूछ लेते हैं कि आपने ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया, वैसा क्यों नहीं किया, इसका क्या मतलब है. तो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस एंड डायरेक्ट आंसर्स इफ यू वांट टू गिव. द फर्स्ट वन इज फ्रॉम डीएनए तुषार जोशी, 3.5 स्टार्स आउट ऑफ 5. इन्होंने कहा है, व्हाट इज दैट स्ट्रेंज वेयरहाउस वेयर रघु इज वर्किंग.
He's an ad executive, so he can now work somewhere else as a foreman का काम कर रहा है in a warehouse, because if you see, notice properly, actually he's only there's only machines there. Hardly you see people. So he's actually मतलब living a zombie life. You know, he doesn't want to. उसने अपने आप को मारने की भी कोशिश की, वो हुआ नहीं. उसके बाद वो जी रहा है बस. He is not thinking कि मैं रोज प्लान कर रहा है कि वो निकलेगा तो मैं मारूंगा. He is just living a certain life. He is already dead in a sense from inside. And the agenda finds him. 15 साल के बाद कुछ होता है जिसके कारण उसको एक रिवेंज लेने का मौका मिलता है. बदलापुर is our metaphorical idea of giving the title, a state of mind kind of a thing. That's badla means revenge.
So that was the
So
logic
it is
behind.
not see, the expected revenge story is कि Sunny Deol will jump over the wall and go and do something deadly. I love Ghayal, but it's not Ghayal.
One more direct question from Saibal Chatterjee, NDTV, 3 stars out of 5. He says, one question that must certainly be asked. Why are the women in Badlapur treated with such contempt? क्या आपको तकलीफ है औरतों से, सर बता दीजिए. Are you married?
They are not. No,
Are you married?
I'm not married.
कोई शादी कर लो यार जल्दी से. इतना कंटेम्प्ट औरतों के लिए क्यों है, आप बता दीजिए सर.
नहीं
है भी कि नहीं?
I love women.
His first film was Ek Hasina Thi.
Yeah.
Then you would say he's got a contempt against men. It's a story, man.
At the end, the darkness of despair gets to you. I'm not sure why I felt cheated and betrayed. Was it because the protagonist did not get the revenge he expected? Or was it something else?
बहुत लोगों को ना क्या हुआ है इस फिल्म दिखने के बाद ना वो उनको they are little unsettled. And they then after a day or two either some of them see it again or they kind of just get the answer, because it's leaving you with an open question. Is revenge worth it? Did this man get anything in his life by doing what he did? The original end of Sholay, which was changed by the censors
Yes.
at that time because of the emergency, was Sanjeev Kumar actually मतलब वो लात मार के गब्बर सिंह को मार देता
कील
है.
वाले जूते से मार देते हैं.
मारने के बाद एक शॉट है जब वो सिर्फ खड़े हैं वो पिलर के पास, that shawl falls off and he just looks like completely his life is over now. Abhi tak he was alive because he had this revenge, and Dharmender comes and puts the shawl on him and they both leave. That is the end of the film. It's a great end. It actually says ki what is the same thing. I've got the DVD which has got the original. It's also there on YouTube, I think. But the censor said, nahi, us time mein to police has to come in the end and he cannot take the law in his own hands and all that. But I think the same thing was attempted there. What the futility of revenge. After such an exciting story, the end of it, what does the man get? Nothing. But once you kill that object, that's over.
Fantastic, you've been great on the show. I'm now going to read googly review of the film. Googly review is a little offhanded, मतलब जिसमें normal बातें नहीं होती हैं, थोड़ा अजीब सा होता है. The only point at which the director becomes slightly conscious that Dhawan is a star with teen fans leads to an entirely superfluous moment in which Raghu needlessly strips off his shirt to display a deliciously ripped torso and arms right before he commits an act of extreme violence.
I'll answer that. See, he looks good without his shirt. That's fine. It's a different matter. But the real reason is because he has to. What he's doing will require. I mean, he has to change his shirt after that because I don't give it away. But he doesn't want blood on his shirt.
On his shirt.
As
It
simple
was
as
very
that.
obvious after the thing that he's not trying to leave DNA anywhere and he's trying to. So
तो किसी को मारने के पहले चलो मैं तेरा बॉडी दिखाता हूँ ऐसा थोड़ी होगा. It doesn't make sense.
A more troublesome superfluous moment comes during the song and dance accompanying the closing credits, during which Huma Qureshi throws come hither looks at Dhawan, which is jarring since Raghu had repeatedly raped her character, a sex worker called Jimli / Shabnam. Why does Bollywood so often divorce the closing songs of films from the preceding story?
मेरे लिए फिल्म यहाँ खत्म होती है. यहाँ खत्म होती है. इसके बाद टाइटल आता है. इसके बाद एक गाना है. This is a separation. It's like when you're watching the same movie on television, there'll be an ad break in between. It's like that.
You're not going to connect the ads to the story of the film.
Yeah. So you have to. I mean, I think viewers are very. I mean, kind of the viewers are sensible enough to know कि यहाँ फिल्म खत्म हो गई. अभी ये गाना है. बाहर निकलते निकलते थोड़ा गाने का मजा लो और थोड़ा देखो हमारा एडिटर कौन है, हमारा कैमरामैन कौन है.
Now we go to the segment which all the critics really wait for, and that's the only reason why they watch this show, and that is the gift of the week.
We want to give a special mention to all the critics who supported, from Anirudh Gua to Raja Sen, Rajiv Masan, to Anu Chopra, to everybody, to Times of India, everybody.
I have another odd question. I always think, suppose if I'm a viewer, I come and watch a movie, I say good, bad, wow, whatever, I see it again. If I'm a critic or a reviewer, do I go as a critic or do I go as a viewer?
I've spoken to a few critics, and this is what they have told me also, that that no, we want to go and enjoy the movie. It's not that हम लोग घर से सोच के निकलते कि हमको बैंड ही बजाने पे.
But I'll give you a more dangerous review. Online, there was only, out of 106 comments, there was one negative. 105 were really supporting the comment, and one person came and said, "Don't miss the beginning, miss the full film." Now you are going to. So we are somebody. It's great to talk about all this, and we can talk about it because our film has done well. You know what I mean? So we don't mind the negative comments. In fact, we love them more than a nazar vat to hai. The only learning for me as a producer is that the audience is willing to accept this kind of content. I think we as makers need to accept that the audience is accepting.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thanks, man. All the best. All the best.
Bye bye.
आजा राइट से कॉफी पीते हैं.
कॉफी भी दे.
मेरा माइक.
सर माइक दे दो, इतना बजट नहीं है.